Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your shipping rates in WooCommerce step by step. Whether you are selling physical product or just starting your online store, getting up shipping rates is essential to make sure your customers are charged correctly. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create free shipping, flat rate shipping, and local pickup options in WooCommerce. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to log into your WordPress dashboard. First, log into your WordPress dashboard where your WooCommerce is installed. If you have that installed WooCommerce yet, you will need to do it fast because the shipping options are part of a WooCommerce. So here you just need to go to the plugin and then click add plugin option to add the WooCommerce platform in your website. Once you did, then you will get these options like add plugin, business carousel, and from that list you just need to be search the WooCommerce one. So here you just need to be provide the keyword, and they will provide you the plugin in here by the keyword. So you just need to wait a bit. Once you're done, then you will get to see the options in that place, and once you come over here, then you just need to be installed that WooCommerce platform. So here I'm going to search it again, and here you can see we already have installed the WooCommerce platform in our place. That's why we are not able to see it in here, but if you're new here, you will get to see that option. So if I go to the install plugin, here you will eventually show that our WooCommerce is installed in here. So now you just need to navigate to shipping setting. From your dashboard, you just need to go to the WooCommerce and setting. Like here you can see, you just need to go over here. Let's open in a new tab. Once you come over here, it will take a couple of minutes to do loading. So at the top you will get to see a shipping tab option. So here you can see this is the shipping tab. You just need to go over here. This is where you will manage all shipping zones, method, and rates. And then you just need to instance shipping zones. So here you can see this is the shipping zones we have. Before setting rates, WooCommerce is there's something called shipping zones. A shipping zone is basically a group of locations where certain shipping methods apply. For example, zone 1, like here I'm going to click this one, and I am going to give a name that will be zone 1, and the zone region, what actually it will be, I can say that will be United. So here you will get to see the option, the Asia. I don't want any Asia, Europe, United States. You just need to click this one and it will be added here. Then you can create more shipping zone. Like here I'm going to click on this one and it will be added. If I go over here to the setting and go to the shipping one, then eventually you will see that this shipping zone already been added, that zone 1. You can add it more as it you want, like zone 2 is equal to Europe, zone 3 local city delivery. Each zone can have different shipping method and price. Then you just need to create a new shipping zone. You just need to click on add shipping zone and give it a name like United States. In the region box, select the country or state you want this to apply to. So this is really easy. I hope you understand. Now you just need to click add shipping method. Here you can see no shipping method offered to this zone. You just need to be click over here, edit, and from that place you just need to be add the shipping methods in here. That for reason you just need to be click over here this button called add shipping method. You just need to be click this one, and from that place you can choose that one. Like I will go with the local pickup, flat rate, or free shipping. It's totally up to you. So like I already mentioned that you will see through main option, flat rate, a fixed price per order like here, and free shipping, free for the customer under certain condition, and local pickup, customer collect the product themselves. So it's totally an amazing thing. So here I will choose the flat rate, then I'll click over here that the next, and then here you just need to be add the cost. So I'm going to add the cost in here, and from that place you can add text status or you can add it none. Then click on create and save, and it already been added. And once it's done, then it's complete. Now you just need to be set up flat rate shipping. I already mentioned. Let's choose flat rate and click add shipping method and click edit to set the price. For example, if you want to charge $5 shipping per order, enter 5 in the cost field. You can also add extra rules using shipping classes, but for beginners, a simple flat rate works fine. So I hope you understand what actually is flat rate. Now let's set up free shipping. So here I'm going to click on the edit, and from that place I am going to, like, let's say I'm going to delete that one. Let's delete this one, and I'm going to introduce the free shipping here. Just select this one, then click continue. So here you just need to be edit it and choose the condition. For example, no condition, always free. Like here you can see free shipping and free shipping requirements, no requirements. You can give free shipping with a coupon code also. Like here you can say a valid free shipping coupon, or you can say free shipping for orders over $15. Like here a minimum order. If I set it for orders over 1500 or $15, customer who spend more than 15 get free shipping and save changes. Like here I'm going to add this one, and here I'll add 15. Apply minimum order will be for coupon discount, and you just need to add this one, and it will be added in here. Now if you want to set up local pickup, the process is really simple. You just need to delete this one, and here you just need to add shipping method and choose your local pickup, and then click continue. And from that place you just need to be provide a cost if it is applicable. For customers who live nearby, you can offer pickup. Add it as a shipping method, click edit and set a pickup fee if needed, or keep it free. Customer will see this option at checkout and can collect their order directly from me. So you can add and test your shipping methods. Like you can reorder shipping methods in each zone. So WooCommerce will display them in the order you add. Once you have set them up, go to your store, add a product to your cart, enter your address, and see if the correct shipping rates appear. This is important to test before shipping, like going live. So here I hope you understand everything properly. And here you can see there's a couple of options like shipping setting. If you go over here, you will able to see that shipping setting like calculation, enable the shipping calculator on the cart page, or hide shipping cost until an address is entered, then hide shipping rates when free shipping is available. Then you can say that shipping destinations like default customer shipping address, then default to customer billing address, or force shipping to customer billing address. Then you can enable debug option like enable shipping debug mode to show matching shipping zones and to bypass shipping rate cache. And here you can see the classes. So actually the classes is shipping classes to customize the shipping rate for different group of products such as heavy items that require higher postage fee. So it's totally up to you. Just need to be understand the main thing that is shipping zone. So you can see no shipping dot is actually added. If I click over here, and I'm going to add the shipping method will be flattered and the price will be $5. So I am going to add that in here and then create and save. And here it already been added. If I come over to the shipping, now you will eventually see that flattered shipping method is actually added in here. So throughout the video, I hope you already understand how you can set up shipping in WooCommerce. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.